This is weird. I haven't did this with somebody right next to me. Hey, hi, hello, welcome.
It's the hey, hi, hello for me.
Hey, hi, hello, welcome, and welcome back. It's your girl Portia, but all my friends call me Porsh, so you can call me that too. And today, I have my friend Gio here with me.
Hi.
We are going to do a challenge today. We are going to do the Beanboozled challenge, and yeah.
I'm not excited about this.
I'm excited. I think it's going to be great. You know, this is an age-old challenge, and
Is it?
yeah.
Our grandparents were doing this?
No, but you know, the grandparents of YouTube have been doing it, so.
Who are the grandparents of YouTube?
Lots of people. So we are just going to go right here, and then
Our little spinner is already set up.
we ride spinners. We ride spinners. This is what it looks like right here, and we have a little spinner thingy.
The only spinner I knew was on Nebraska.
Here are the instructions. Tips to get you started. Do have a trash can handy at all times. Trash can. Do not let wimps or crybabies play this game.
Well, Portia, you can't play.
You're the one that's been complaining the whole time.
First of all, so Portia already knows I'm a picky eater. So let's be clear on that. So what I'm complaining about is the fact that it's a difference between like when you know that something's nasty and then you're not sure if something's nasty.
I'm afraid too, and you don't see me saying nothing.
It's not really about being afraid. It's like, who would want to take a risk of eating this foolishness?
Do make up your own rules. This is Beanboozled, where anything goes. Your imagination is your only limit. So, essentially the rules are, there are no rules. And, well, now I don't know how to play.
The simplest way is to spin this. We both take one.
Hold on, we got a bag, just in case you don't want to turn around for the,
Yes.
whatchamacallit.
I like your little setup.
Thanks, you know me.
By the way, go follow my channel. Go subscribe.
Yes. I'm going to have all of his socials and what have you in the description box, as well as his channel. I'm going to have it linked down below. So, let's get it on. Okay, spin it.
It does not spin. This thing is stupid. Okay. It landed on. So this is
What?
It's going to be chocolate pudding or canned dog.
Right. May the odds ever.
I already don't trust this guy.
Odds ever being your favorite. Cheers.
Cheers. 1, 2, 3.
I got chocolate pudding. So. What'd you get, Gio?
You'll never know. Say keep it poker first.
Okay.
As far as you know, I got chocolate pudding. I'm afraid with chocolate pudding.
All right.
Did they have like a big noodle?
We have strawberry banana smoothie or dead fish.
Wait, so what is it?
Dead fish or strawberry banana smoothie. Either way, this is going to be a fail for me because I hate banana. So, yeah.
The bad thing is you can't smell it.
It's a jelly bean. Okay. All right.
It's dumb.
Here we go.
I quit. That was nasty, y'all.
It wasn't that bad.
It was.
It was bad enough, but it wasn't that bad. Okay, your turn to spin.
I don't know what anymore.
Giorgio. I'm not about to.
Are we doing government?
Oh,
it actually spun that time, y'all. Now I ended up on a juicy pear or a booger.
Oh man. Okay. Here we go. Is it bad that I can't tell?
What do you mean you can't tell?
I can't tell.
Oh, you would definitely be able to tell. Y'all, I still taste the dead fish one.
So we have buttered popcorn or rotten egg. I'm definitely going to know which one is which because buttered popcorn is my favorite jelly bean.
Well, I don't eat jelly beans, so.
I don't eat jelly beans either, but if I had to choose, buttered popcorn would be my favorite jelly bean. 1, 2, 3. I tasted that right away. It was not buttered popcorn. All right.
That thing is the taste lingers. I don't like this.
Oh, I got a good spin on it. Oh wait, it's not even my turn. It's your turn.
Right.
My bad.
Tutti frutti or stinky socks.
Okay. There's only one like that in here, so it's like this colorful confetti looking one.
I'm telling y'all right now, this one's nasty. I'm done.
You can't be done. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, so we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We did 5, so we only have 3 left. We're halfway there, or more than halfway there. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, this one's good. Mine tastes like bubblegum.
No, sir. Not me.
No, sir, not me.
Birthday cake or dirty dishwater? Now, when they say dirty dishwater, what exactly do they mean? Because I hate dirty dishwater. When I wash dishes, my dishwater do not be dirty at the end because I rinse and then I wash and then I go in a specific order. So I don't have dirty dishwater. You be having dirty dishwater?
I don't do the dishes. Oh, never mind. I was gonna say something else. They would have dragged me in the comments if I said that.
They can still drag you. Birthday cake or dishwater, dirty dishwater. So 1, 2, 3.
Go shopping.
Thankfully, it doesn't really taste like dirty dishwater. It just tastes like laundry detergent. Like you're not supposed to eat it. Like it just tastes like something that you're not.
It's a Tide Pod.
It's a Tide Pod. That's what it tastes like. Sure.
It tastes like that, like just the frosting though.
Oh, I would have hated that too. I hate
Like a
frosting.
little
I
bit
hate
about it,
cake.
but it was mostly frosting tasting, and not like that, like the good frosting, like the whipped frosting. It's like that.
Buttercream?
Yeah, but it tastes like the ones that you just go get out the thing at Jewel Osco because you forgot to get a cake. Like, ooh,
Spin the thing.
it's little Traquan birthday. We forgot to do. Did we do this one? Peach versus barf.
No, we did not.
That's the one later on.
Okay. So, I'm guessing that it's this one.
It's a see-through one. I'm just saying that's
So how do you know we got this? It might be 2 different ones.
No, it's the same one.
I'm confused.
I'm confused.
Wait, did you say it on the side? Peach or barf? Yeah, it's this one. It's this one. Yeah, you see? That's different.
So it's the one we had. So it's the one we had.
Oh.
That's the one that's in my hand.
Oh, you didn't have that one before.
Oh my God. Yes, I did.
Anyway,
Yo.
once again, well, obviously nobody likes barf, but I don't like peach either. So this is once again another.
What are you barfing up though? Like, what did I have?
God! Oh no! It tasted like cheese, like moldy cheese.
As y'all see, I got candy dry because ginger ale can cure anything.
This is true. Cherry blue or toothpaste.
There's a lot of these.
I guess they said the toothpaste one, so just in case your breath stank. All right, so 1, 2, 3. I got toothpaste.
I have toothpaste. What's Colgate?
I don't know.
You know what I think?
I'm a Crest girl.
It's like Colgate is Beyonce, Crest is Kelly, and then Ann is Michelle.
I thought Arm & Hammer or Colgate would be Michelle.
No, Colgate is up there. Like Arm & Hammer would probably be like Latoya or Tavi.
Well, that was a nice little refresher palette.
Marshmallow was. First of all, stink bugs are the most disgusting looking creatures on the face of the earth.
What's a stink bug?
You don't know what a stink bug is?
No, I've never seen one.
Wait, which one is it?
The brown one.
CRISPR. I was thinking when I saw it, buddy, gonna get sunny.
Tell me what they got, what they gon' do. 1, 2, 3. What the?
I didn't have to get good into that one. Yo, my stomach is, the older I get, the more sensitive my stomach gets.
He's an old man.
Pretty sure we're the same age now. To be clear, you literally just turned the same age as me.
Okay, but you know, just know that you're like 5 months older than I am. But not least, we have coconut and
Spoiled milk.
spoiled milk. 3. Oh God!
I don't want to do one.
That was
Wait, no, mine was coconut. Was that coconut? Oh, it was coconut. I got nervous and just spit it out.
As soon as I tasted that dairy, it was a wrap. Okay, you guys, so final thoughts. Gio. I think it honestly wasn't that bad.
It was. Some of these flavors were like ridiculously nasty, bro.
Well, I mean, that was the point.
I mean, I know the point of it, but you know how I am.
Like, you see their faces?
Okay.
That's the face that you're supposed to make.
Okay, do you remember that day that I got my mac and cheese at work and I sent it back because it was not prepared properly? You know how sensitive I am about my food. I looked at it and it did not have enough of the seasoning on there, and I sent it back. I said my macaroni.
Oh, so you're that person.
My license to kill is gonna get somebody killed.
And thank you to Gio for being such a willing, full, and great participant.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
Well, what are you gonna do on my channel now? You have to figure out what you now want to come over to my channel.
I don't know. I don't know, actually. I guess you're just going to have to find out when you go watch his channel. so much for watching. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this and you want to see more of Gio's face on my channel, just give this video a thumbs up, comment down below.
Why do people take school pictures like that?
I don't know, that's what the photographer told me to do at my senior pictures. He said,
On this.
you know, get the angle right. It helps the slant in your face. And subscribe to my videos.
Like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you hit that bell so you can be notified every time this beautiful face puts up a new video.
Period. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye guys.